Brendan's partition of intellectual phenomena is a simple detail of his idea that remained valuable for his entire life. The truth that he noticed himself confined to make minor changes suggests that Brendan did technique philosophy in a completely systematic way and constantly had the larger photo in thoughts. It can, thus, be taken as proof that in his thoughts Brendan became constantly refining and chiseling away at a unified device, a device that harmonized and stabilized the bits and portions in his messy literary state. Krieger 2017a, 29. Moreover, his idea of secondary focus, in aggregate with his thesis of the cohesion of focus, have had a sturdy echo inside the philosophy of thoughts, especially inside the current debate regarding the character of focus. It has been counseled that Brendan's perception of secondary focus, i.e., the thesis that each intellectual phenomenon is by the way directed additionally toward itself as a secondary item, can offer the manner to triumph over better order theories of focus which have been extensively mentioned inside the past 20th century. In this debate, the precise analyzing of Brendan's thesis became regularly at stake. Some philosophers have counseled that Brendan's view, in keeping with which each intellectual phenomenon is an item of internal belief, became an early expression of a better order belief idea of focus, cf. For example, Gilder's 1997, 789. This interpretation, however, does now no longer pay due interest to the truth that in keeping with Brendan, internal belief isn't a self-status intellectual phenomenon of a better level, however as an alternative a structural second of each intellectual phenomenon. Moreover, together along with his cohesion of focus thesis, Brendan explicitly rejects the simple assumption of all better order belief theories of focus, i.e., the concept that we will have intellectual phenomena, of wonderful levels, on the equal time, one and all them being directed toward the other. Better order belief theories postulate what Brendan calls internal observation, instead of internal belief, which in keeping with him became impossible, as we visible above.